Kickstart your day with these 5 healthy, easy, and nutritious breakfast options to support your weight loss journey. Number 1. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and fruit. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy a fiber-rich grab-and-go meal. Number 2. Veggie egg scramble. Whisk eggs with veggies like spinach and peppers for a protein-packed, vitamin-rich breakfast. Number 3. Smoothie bowl. Blend berries, banana, and almond milk. Then top with fruits, granola, and chia seeds for a delicious, guilt-free treat. Number 4. Avocado toast with a twist. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain bread. Add chili flakes, lemon juice, and a boiled egg for added protein. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits and granola for a satisfying mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health, nutrition, and wellness. Stay healthy. See you next time.